Hi guys, we're working on a 2013 E-Class Mercedes. I think it's E55. We're going to remove the rear bumper cover because we got some scratches here, One I'm going to fix. So we're going to remove this bumper. I think we're going to start with the inner side skirts. We come looking here. These things want to come off first so we can get to the bolts. So obviously take the wheels off the car, and then there's one here, one here, there's one right here. Oh, there's a clip right there. Oh, there's one more right there. Okay, I'm gonna peel this back just a little bit, see what we're looking at. Looks like we got 110 right here. Let's see how loose this bumper gets. Okay, let's just go ahead and continue with the bottom. Has a couple of these. Looks like a T25. Okay, we drop these two as well. One here, one here. These are 10s. Let's get these guys over here. Because I got the one in the middle right here somewhere. I took off. This guy right here. 110 right here. And there's 110 right here. 10mm down here, so I'm gonna pull these guys back out of the way. There's 110 right here. That is loose too. I think it's just, from the looks of it, looks like it's just a clip. It pops off. So with everything else off, let's go ahead and lower this car down and pop that off. See what it looks like. Well, I got these guys here. Huh? Yeah. This just pops off. Yeah, same on this side. It's just there we go. I think the thing just slides off. Got two people just pull back.
Let's go.
I know where I was going inside. Okay, I got a good idea. How about we just unplug?
Sensor?
Yeah. Just the whole sensor. Here, I got it. Just pull the sensor out of this bumper.
There we go.
But then they're going to take that sensor out 2 volts and plug it in. So it doesn't, well, leave it in, leave it in. Take this.
No pain?
No, for when you turn the car on, we don't have a problem with the noise. Plug this thing back in. It's not going anywhere, you know what I mean? Bring that other Kaizol. The bumper's been painted once. We're gonna go ahead and refinish it. We're gonna go ahead and take the rest of this black stuff off. I folded both of my nails back on this. Ow.